Hey everybody, welcome to the workshop. I have here a Heathkit TC-3 that is missing a few things. You'll notice that I am missing several of the switchblade shaft knobs. And what started all this is I've had this tube checker for a while, and I've been working on an old Philco 46420 here on the workbench, and I want to just check the tubes because I've been going through it, and I thought, well, just check it out, make sure everything's good. They do light up, but I thought, well, we'll check them with the tube checker because that's why I have one. And it got me to thinking I really ought to go and pick up some knobs. So I was able to get a hold of renovated radios, and the knobs came in, and we're going to unbox them and unpackage them anyhow in this little mailer and see how they compare with the originals that I do have. So this should be interesting. So I found renovated radios through the antique radio forums on the web, and down in the description I've listed a web address for them, as well as a web address for renovated radios. As it turns out, the renovated radios is not that far from me, but the funny story behind it all is these went all the way down to Columbus, Ohio, over to Akron, all the way around until they came back to my part of Ohio, which was kind of funny. So it was probably 45 minutes to an hour drive to actually go where these people are. And the knobs that I ordered spent something on the order of 6 days driving around the state before they got here. So let's open up the package and we'll see what's inside. You're finding out as I'm finding out here. Oh. These were the backer clips. I noticed that he had reproductions of those for the Philco. So I'm not sure if these are the correct ones for the 46420. I don't think so based on what I see now. But I have other antique radios, so this is not a total loss. And the price was right. So I ordered a dozen of these because I am missing, move that over here, several of the knob tips. And I thought, these are original. I should just take these off, put them into an envelope and put them in a spare parts bin. And then I will have some extras if I happen to break some of these. I think it's these little plastic springy things down here in the very bottom that seem to break, and then the knobs fall off. So let's see how these fit. So this is a reproduction from them at Renovated Radios, and this is an original. Ah! Little bugger got away from me. Other than the casting mark on the very bottom, which you'll never see, that's pretty dang nice. Well, let's see how she adds up when we put a caliper on it. Don't even care what the display reads. So this is the duplicate, this is the original. So let's set our caliper. Lock it. That's all we want to do. Pull that out. How close is it to being the same? That's pretty good. The other measurement, stem to stern as they say, we'll go this way. And I'll just lock it. Again, I don't even care what the display reads. I just want to gauge it. It's a non-critical part in this length. A little shallow, but not much. But it should do the job. Now, the real test. Will it fit on the shaft? Let's find out. Yep, that went right on. So, okay. Let's take another one out of the bag here. There's two. Now, my TC-3 has all the guards on. Considering nowhere else can you get these, you can't get them through, I'm not sure what that Heathkit company is, the remake or whatever it is of them, but considering you can't get these knobs anywhere else, I would say this is a win. So there you have it. Reproduction knobs from Renovated Radios LLC for the Heathkit TC-3. And I'm happy. Check them out. They've got a lot of nice reproduction stuff. And was not paid to do this, was not given anything for free. I actually purchased these and thought I'll try them and just record it and see how things go. But I do have some spares now in case one of these original ones does shatter off. Life is good. Thanks for watching, everybody.